Ever dumped hours into a project only to have it ruined by a misaligned joint, a warped board, or a saw slip that wasted half your lumber? We've all been there. It's the absolute worst feeling in the shop. But here's the kicker. Most of the time, that frustration isn't about your skill level. It's about fighting against outdated gear. In this video, I'm breaking down 17 genius upgrades that are going to save your sanity and your wallet. We're talking about an xTool laser that handles complex inlays in seconds, a Festool track saw with a built-in safety brake that literally stops on skin contact, and a handheld CNC that brings robotic precision to your workbench. Pocket hole jig. What if you could drill flawless, rock-solid pocket joints in half the time without adjusting a single manual clamp? Building furniture used to mean waiting hours for glue to dry or fighting with complex joinery. This system uses an advanced auto-adjusting clamping mechanism. You simply drop your wood into the jig, press the lever, and it automatically locks down perfectly, regardless of the material thickness. It completely removes human error from the equation, giving you instantly flush, professional joints every single time with zero setup hassle. Laser cutter. Trying to hand carve intricate patterns or cut complex curves manually takes days, wastes expensive wood, and usually ends up uneven. This machine turns your digital designs into perfectly cut physical wood pieces with a literal beam of light. If you want to add intricate engravings, custom inlay work, or complex shapes to your projects, this fully enclosed desktop laser handles it in minutes. With built-in dual cameras and a massive bed space, it maps out your wood panel automatically. You just drag and drop your artwork on screen, and it executes hyper-precise cuts and deep engravings down to the millimeter. Guide rail square. The ultimate shortcut to turning a standard track saw into a precision panel cutting monster. Breaking down massive sheets of plywood perfectly square is notoriously frustrating, and a single bad cut can ruin a costly sheet. This tool instantly snaps onto your existing guide rails with a patented quick-release latch. It guarantees a flawless 90-degree angle to your track with zero manual calibration required. It transforms your track saw into a highly accurate, portable panel saw that yields factory-level results right on the job site. Rockler slab flattening jig. How to turn a heavily walked, twisted piece of live-edge timber into a perfectly flat tabletop without a massive industrial planer. Using a router to flatten large wood slabs used to require building a crude, clunky, homemade wooden sled that warped over time. This premium aluminium and steel jig provides an ultra-smooth gliding track for your router to ride on. It adjusts effortlessly to the exact width and height of your workpiece. It makes the entire flattening process incredibly predictable, clean, fast, and perfectly level across large surfaces. TSC 55K track saw. A cordless saw engineered so precisely that it leaves a finish cleaner than a stationary workshop table saw. Splintered edges and dangerous kickbacks on expensive veneered plywood are completely eliminated with this German setup. It features a unique, ultra-fast kickback stop system that instantly halts the blade if it senses a bind, protecting both you and your material. Operating on a smooth aluminium guide track, it leaves a perfectly smooth, splinter-free, paint-ready edge on both sides of the cut line, without any splinter guards. Paolini Pocket Square, a pocket-sized layout tool that eliminates the annoying habit of constantly searching for your tape measure. Standard layout squares are bulky and often slide around when you try to mark lines. This compact, machined aluminium square features an adjustable stop block that locks firmly onto your workpiece. This allows you to slide the square down the edge of a board to mark highly accurate parallel lines instantly. It fits easily into a shop apron pocket, delivers machining-grade tolerances, and will never rust or wear out. Pushblock. Trying to push narrow pieces of wood past a spinning table saw blade using generic plastic push sticks gives you almost zero control, constantly risking uneven cuts, violent kickbacks, and severe finger injuries. This system solves that danger by providing 3 directions of force pushing the wood down, forward and inward against the fence simultaneously. It acts as an adjustable moving tunnel directly over the saw blade, allowing you to cut incredibly thin strips of wood safely, precisely, and with total confidence on every single pass. It is the single most essential safety tool designed to keep your fingers completely isolated from danger. Bandsaw Guide: how to get perfectly straight, uniform veneer slices out of a thick wood block without any blade drift. Resawing thick lumber on a bandsaw is incredibly difficult because the blade naturally wants to twist and wander off course along the grain. This tool applies continuous, flexible pressure directly in front of the cut line, using a dynamic featherboard design. It dampens blade vibration completely and ensures the wood stays pressed perfectly flat against your fence, resulting in uniform, glass-smooth slices every single time. Planer: the heavy-duty workshop machine that turns rough-sawn, ugly lumber into beautiful, perfectly smooth boards. Buying pre-surfaced wood from big box stores is incredibly expensive. This 3-knife cutter head system allows you to buy cheap, rough lumber and mill it down to size yourself. It features a powerful electronic 2-speed gearbox that controls the cuts per inch ratio. It delivers a highly refined, mirror-like finish that cuts down your manual sanding time by up to 80%, while maximizing material yield in your shop. Doweling jig: spending hours measuring only to find out your dowel holes are off by just ½ millimeter will completely warp your joint line and ruin a beautiful piece of expensive wood. Aligning dowel holes across 2 matching boards manually is an absolute nightmare that rarely lines up correctly, ruining your project alignment. This all-metal internal corner jig solves that frustration by referencing both matching boards at the exact same time. It locks down onto your edges securely, allowing you to drill matching holes that line up with absolute geometric perfection during your final assembly glue-up, without the need for manual calculations. It is the perfect way to create classic, beautifully hidden wood dowel joints without spending hundreds on professional machinery. Adjustable speed horse: the instant deploy sawhorses that set up your entire mobile workshop in less than 2 seconds. Fumbling with traditional folding sawhorses or building clunky wooden frames on a job site takes up way too much time and energy. These heavy-duty steel legs deploy instantly with the simple pull of a quick-release lever. They feature a pre-drilled metal top that allows you to screw down a custom wood sacrificial top, protecting your expensive blades during heavy material breakdown cuts in any environment. Shaper Origin: your hands aren't robotic, but this tool makes them look like they are by actively defying human error in real time. Traditional CNC machines are massive, taking up an entire corner of your shop and limiting your project size. This revolutionary handheld tool brings robotic CNC accuracy to any workspace by using a built-in camera to track specialized tape placed directly on your wood slab. You simply follow the path displayed on the high-resolution digital screen. If your hand drifts offline, the internal robotic motor instantly corrects the router bit position to keep your cut flawless, giving you the ultimate handheld router that uses digital auto-correction tracking. Moisture meter: when your beautiful, expensive furniture suddenly starts tearing itself apart from the inside out due to trapped moisture. Wood is a living material that naturally expands and contracts based on the internal moisture trapped inside the grain. This non-damaging, pinless meter saves you from watching your finished work warp and crack by using advanced electromagnetic waves to scan deep into the wood fibers without leaving ugly holes. It instantly tells you if your wood is dry enough to build with, completely preventing catastrophic wood movement, warping and cracking issues before you ever start cutting. Marking gauge: a single pencil line off by just a hair can trick you into cutting past your mark, completely ruining a joint you spent hours preparing. This essential layout tool eliminates that error by slicing a physical trench directly into the wood grain, creating exact, repeatable layout lines that serve as a flawless positive stop for your chisels and saws. Whether you use a standard pin gauge for marking with the grain, a cutting or modern wheel gauge with razor-sharp blades to sever fibers cleanly from any angle, or a 2-pin mortise gauge for layout outmatching joints, this tool ensures your blades drop into the exact same spot every single time. Dual base router. Stop struggling with bulky, oversized routers that turn delicate edgework into a clumsy guessing game. This dual-base system replaces the need for 2 separate machines by giving you the maneuverability of a lightweight trim router and the depth-controlled precision of a heavy-duty plunge router in one compact package. Its 710-watt motor provides the perfect balance of power and surgical control for flawless inlay work, custom joinery, and intricate edge profiles. By allowing you to switch bases in seconds, it eliminates tool swap downtime and ensures your cuts are consistent, accurate, and professional grade every single time. Compact Table Saw. A single split-second lapse in concentration near a spinning blade can result in a life-altering injury before your brain even registers that something went wrong. This industry-defining table saw eliminates that terror by featuring an integrated safety system that monitors for contact with human skin. By constantly sensing the natural electrical conductivity of your body, the saw triggers an internal aluminium brake the instant skin touches the metal, dropping the blade beneath the table and bringing it to a complete halt in less than 5 milliseconds. It transforms what would have been a catastrophic amputation into nothing more than a minor scratch, giving you the professional power you need with an unparalleled margin of safety. Digital Angle Finder. Even a fraction of a degree in error can sabotage months of work, turning a precision project into a wobbly, misaligned mess the moment you begin assembly. Stop relying on eyeballing it or imprecise manual squares that leave room for human error. This digital angle finder effectively ends the guessing game. Its high-precision sensor provides instant numerical readings of any surface angle, allowing you to achieve absolute leveling and perfectly flush joints without complex calculations. This isn't just a level, it is the ultimate safeguard against structural imperfection, transforming your work from amateur DIY projects into professional-grade masterpieces. Spindle Sander. Trying to smooth out intricate, curved or concave edges using manual sandpaper is a slow, uneven nightmare that usually ruins the shape of your workpiece. This powerhouse machine combines a rotating spindle with an oscillating vertical movement. As the spindle spins, it moves up and down thousands of times per minute. This prevents the sandpaper from clogging with sawdust and ensures you never leave ugly, repetitive scratch patterns on your curves. It turns what was once an hour of grueling manual hand sanding into a 30-second task, giving you perfectly uniform, factory-smooth interior curves for every furniture project. JessEm Router Lift. Changing bits or adjusting the depth on a router table is often a clunky, frustrating mess that forces you to reach under the table or disassemble your setup, causing you to lose your critical settings. This is the command center for your routing. It features a precision machined top and an integrated lift system that allows you to change router bits and adjust heights from above the table using a simple crank. It includes built-in micro adjustment scales, meaning you can fine-tune your depth of cut by a fraction of a millimeter without ever guessing. It eliminates all the physical struggle of router adjustments and guarantees that your joinery and edge profiles are dialed in with surgical, repetitive accuracy every time you use it. If you want to stop wasting lumber and start building like a pro, these upgrades are your new best friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more shop hacks and let me know in the comments which of these tools are you adding to your workshop first.